on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making creamy Cajun beef spaghetti. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 12 ounces of spaghetti, 1 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 3/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, 1 small onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. I have some parsley flakes for garnish, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. To a small bowl, I'm going to add in my garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and our Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined, then you can set it to the side. Now to a pot of salted boiling water, I'm going to add in my spaghetti. Remember, you're only using 12 ounces. We're going to let our spaghetti cook for 8 to 9 minutes. To a skillet over medium heat, I added in my tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Next, we're going to add in our onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. Saute that for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and break it down and make sure it's mixed well with our onion and garlic. Now you want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your spaghetti is done cooking, you want to drain it and set it to the side. Once your ground beef is done, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Once you drained your ground beef of all excess grease, you want to return it back to your pan. Now we're going to add in our seasoning. Go ahead and mix that up until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. And we're also going to add in our heavy cream. Now just mix it until it's well combined. We're going to bring it up to a light boil. Once it comes up to a light boil, lower your heat to medium-low, and we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes until the sauce slightly thickens. Okay, after 5 minutes, we're going to add in our shredded Parmesan cheese, our mozzarella cheese, and also our cheddar cheese. You want to mix until everything is nice and smooth and melted and creamy. You can lower your heat to low. Once your cheese has melted all the way through, we're going to begin to add in our spaghetti. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix our spaghetti in the sauce and make sure it's nicely coated. Once your spaghetti is coated all in the sauce, you want to let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Guys, it's been 2 minutes. Now it's time to plate it. Okay guys, now I'm going to add some parsley flakes over top, you know, for a little pop of color. And here we have it, our creamy Cajun beef spaghetti. Guys, this is delicious. I hope you guys give it a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?